know, I talk a lot about health and well-being and in gardening, but particularly if you've got the time to get out and actually just go for a walk, look around you, hawthorn hedge, ivy, okay, bollards to stop people driving through it, but that's good because this is a byway for bikes and people to walk. It's so good for you, particularly in this frosty weather where we've got crisp morning, the sun shining. What could be better than getting out and having a look round? Just look round and enjoy the good fresh air that you can get. You can see the bracken that's in the side here. Blackberry, okay, this perhaps should be tidied up a bit, but does it really matter? Look at the haws on this rose. This is a wild rose, and we look at the haws on here. Yeah, they're not all they hips. I never get that right. Is it hip? Is it haw? But get out. It's so healthy for you. It really is. It's so good to get a bit of air in your lungs. And these crisp mornings that we're receiving, we're lucky in the southeast. We haven't got 4 foot of snow. Farther up the country, they have. But still, even if you've got a bit of snow on the ground, you can actually really enjoy the countryside. Let's just turn round, and in fact, we're going to come round here, and I'm just going to point out a couple of things. Dogs barking at me. This is a hazel, and you can see that the hazel is just starting to produce its male flowers. The female flowers sit in the sides there, and what happens is these open up, and they drop their pollen to pollinate the female flowers, and then we get cob nuts. Most of the cob nuts, let's face it, are eaten by squirrels in the wild, but you might get the chance. And then moving on a bit, you've got another plant here, of course, the gorse, that produces lovely yellow flowers in January, February. So there's plenty of things to get out there and think of the healthy things that I talk about. Health in the head, health in your lungs, and look after yourself. And later on, I'll be telling you how to get gardening as well. Help us grow our YouTube channel. Just hit subscribe.